Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel of chilled, relaxed, playing content where we just try to grow our plants the best way we can. So, today I have my Tradescantias over here, and I've noticed I have 5 other Tradescantia varieties like hanging in windows in my house, and those do a lot better than the plants that I have just in like pots around my house. I don't know what it is. I don't know. They like to be in my windows. So I guess I'll just show you them really quick. Let me show you. Can you see it? Yeah, so it doesn't look great. It doesn't. There's a lot of crispy stuff, a lot of dead stuff. For whatever reason, when I have them in pots, I had them all like right here too. Ooh, sorry. I had them all right here too. So I don't know what goes on. They're under a light. Like, it's just not what they want. I guess they want real outdoor light. So, coming back to me, my plan today is to clean these guys up, put them in a pot that I can hang. This is, I think, an 8-inch plastic pot, and put it up in a window somewhere. I'm gonna see if I can put all of these guys in the same pot. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but yeah, so we're just gonna switch the angle so that you can see me working on these guys, and we're gonna just get to it. The good thing is I'm gonna have 5 more pots for maybe some of my like wish list plants I get over the spring, so that's good. So yeah, alrighty. Alright, so that was excruciating. We're not doing that for all of these. We're just going to cut. We're going to cut stuff off and just stick it in soil. And whatever makes it, and whatever doesn't. I'm pretty sure the Tradescantias will be fine. But, yeah, I don't know. Oh, man, again. I just, like, took forever, and I don't want to be here forever doing that. So, we're just going to take this, cut it off as far down as we can see. Okay, we got that, and just pull off dead stuff, and then whatever's still in the pot we're just going to throw outside and see if it comes back. It might not, but yeah, we're not going through all that. So we got this, and yeah, that's what we're doing now. Okay, so that took longer than I wanted, but I have, I think, like 5 or 6 separate plants. I separated them all out. I have some of the Baby Bunny Belly Tradescantia. It's got the dark green and the dark purple undersides, and it's very fuzzy. I have some of the just plain Jane green Tradescantia, which is really pretty, grows really well. The cat is just itching behind me and I just hear it, and it's freaking me out. I have like 3 little strands of this. I think it's Callistia or something like that. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I might just toss that or put it in like a little propagation vessel and keep it as like a small little plant. I have a bunch. I have a lot of whatever Tradescantia this guy is. Like a lot of it. I have like a full pot of this cuttings. It has green on the top of the leaves and dark purple on the bottom, and it's also very fuzzy. I have some of the white and green variegated Tradescantia. Not a lot of it, so this might also just like be put in a propagation thing and be a little propagation plant. And then I have this whole thing with this dirt and all of this fuzzy Tradescantia. I have no idea what kind it is, but it's very fuzzy. I hope it's, there we go. It's really fuzzy, a lot of white fuzz on it with a green leaf underneath. The cats are, it must be the witching hour because they're starting to run laps. So that's happening. And then I have whatever this Tradescantia is. I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. They're more pointed leaves. Let me pick up a piece to show you. I'm making a mess. So they're more pointed leaves and they're green, not too fuzzy. So I think I was originally going to put them all in one pot, but I don't think I'm going to do that now. I think instead I'm going to be putting them into the Costa Farm pots. I just grabbed this guy from outside, so he's nice and dirty. But I have a bunch of these guys from some of the outdoor succulents that just didn't make it. They didn't like the light they were getting in my house. So I have empty pots, and I might as well use them. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I have 4 of these pots here with me now. And I definitely have 4 plants, enough of each Tradescantia, of 4 of them anyway, to make a pot. Words are hard. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do next, okay? And then the ones that I don't have a lot of, I think I'm just gonna throw in water for now, have them be a cute little water propagation plant, and maybe one day pot them up or give them away or whatever it is, because I don't know. Do you need a whole bunch of different types of Tradescantia? I wish they survived outside for me. I would grow them all over my yard, but they die during the winter because it gets too cold here. But anyway, that's what we're doing now, so let's get to it. All right. All right, so this. I think we're just gonna put this guy. See, I don't know enough to fill the pot. I think we're fine. This is what I'm gonna do with them. So get my little. Alright guys, so we're done. It was a lot. There was a lot of stopping the camera and just making a mess, repotting things, taking things out, trying to figure out where I want to put things and how I want to situate them. It was a lot, but I'm going to cut it out. I'm not going to force you to watch all of that. But you saw the 4 plants that I potted up into pots, and then I decided to just put this guy in a little vase, have him as a little water propagation. The same with this guy. I only kept these 2 strands. The other ones had bends in them, and I picked the 2 ones with a little bit of roots and the ones I thought would do the best. And then I also did that with the Callistia. It is really pretty, but there just wasn't enough to put this in a big pot. So that's what we got going on. We have a couple of water propagation plants. We got a couple of plants. I'm going to be putting them in my bedroom on my windowsill because all of the other Tradescantias that I have hanging in that window are doing wonderful. So that seems to be like the Tradescantia spot. And maybe I'll remember to water them a little bit more since they're in my bedroom. But we'll see. I guess I'll give you guys an update on my Tradescantias in a couple months. Hopefully it's a good update. And yeah, so until next time, relax, plants, peace out.